Hello, and welcome to Darreck's BodyMaitre podcast, a space where we explore healing, self-discovery, and the BodyMaitre Four Bodies system: spiritual, mental, emotional, and physical. Here, we use pendulum dowsing and BodyMaitre charts to connect with the higher self and angels, uncovering hidden blocks, interferences, and subconscious programming that quietly shape our lives. Today's case study question is one that many listeners might relate to. Why do I find it so difficult to express feelings of being supported when I practice emotional mastery exercises? Could there be an inner block causing this? This is such an insightful question because many of us try affirmations, meditations, or emotional mastery exercises, yet still struggle to feel supported. Let's take a look at what the four bodies revealed in this case study. When we dowsed with the BodyMaitre charts, here's what came up. Mental body. The block appeared as pessimism programming. This suggests the subconscious mind may expect the worst, making it hard to trust that support is available. Physical body. The block showed as doubting one's own capabilities. When the body doesn't feel strong or capable, it's difficult to lean on life with confidence. Emotional body. The result revealed a worn feeling. This shows emotional fatigue, like carrying too much for too long without replenishment. Spiritual body. The aura was found clouded with negativity and in need of clearing. A heavy aura makes it harder to sense higher support, guidance, and universal energy. So, across all four bodies, we can see why the vibration of feeling supported was difficult to embody. Now, why is mastering the feeling of being supported so important? From the perspective of the law of attraction, what we feel consistently is what we attract. If we carry vibrations of pessimism, self-doubt, emotional exhaustion, or aura heaviness, the universe simply mirrors that back, bringing experiences that reinforce not feeling supported. But when we shift into the vibration of support, when the mind is optimistic, the body feels strong, emotions are refreshed, and the aura is clear, we send out a new frequency. I am supported, I allow support, I trust in life. And that opens a door to synchronicities, opportunities, helpful people, and the energy to move forward with ease. So how do we realign? Here's what the BodyMaitre clearing suggests. Mental body. Clear the pessimism programming and replace it with optimistic, empowering beliefs. For example, life supports me. I welcome good outcomes. Physical body. Release the energy of doubting your own capabilities and transform it into trusting in your own strength and abilities. Emotional body. Clear the worn, drained feeling and bring in refreshment, vitality, and emotional lightness. Spiritual body. Invite the angels to clear the aura of negativity, restoring clarity, brightness, and openness to higher guidance. These four shifts together create a strong foundation to truly feel supported in your inner world and outer life. So the takeaway is this: feeling supported isn't just about telling yourself you're supported. It's about aligning your four bodies so that the vibration of support flows through your mind, body, emotions, and spirit. I invite you to reflect for a moment. Do you often expect support, or do you expect struggle? Where do you feel worn or doubtful in your life right now? And what would it feel like if you could truly relax into the knowing, I am supported by life, by the universe, by my own inner strength? Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Darreck's BodyMaitre podcast. May today's insights inspire you to clear what no longer serves you and reconnect with the ever-present support around you. Until next time, stay balanced, stay open, and remember, you are never alone.